Right now, we're mainly going over a lot of our TCCC, which is kind of our Tactical Combat Casualty Care. And then with that, we're also going into a little bit of radio etiquette and just operations of an ASIP radio.
This is what we call a 10-level skill. Every soldier should know these skills and be able to perform them effectively. Moving to a casualty, calling up the 9 line, and then packaging the casualty on a litter and moving that casualty to a safe point so that they can be evacuated. Obviously, you know, you're gonna have a medic with you in your unit, but if something happens to that medic or you can't get to that medic, you need to be able to perform these basic skills to be able to save a battle buddy if needed.
I'm actually wanting to branch into the infantry. We've got an infantry unit in Nebraska. So, like, obviously this is the kind of stuff that I would be using day in, day out. If I were ever to end up find myself in a combat situation, this would be the stuff that could save my battle buddy to my left or right. One thing that it will help me with a lot is it kind of helps me get some of that muscle memory. So when I am in a stressful situation later on in CST, say during sticks lanes, I've already have a pretty good idea of what I should be doing to assess a casualty. And then it just should become second nature.
This is kind of just a refresher and going over the basics again to make sure that since everybody is coming from different universities, that they're on the same page for when they go into their FTX and they all are on the same knowledge level.
Being a part of the National Guard already has given me a little bit of a step up from my fellow cadets. And so the biggest thing that I'm taking away from today, and honestly a lot of CST, is just kind of being more of that instructor rather than that student, just because I've got a little bit of a different perspective than some other people might. And so maybe my way is a little different and might work in a different scenario than a different way that someone else learned how to do it.